In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Convertkit newsletter. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, sending newsletters is a fantastic way to keep in touch with your audience. And Convertkit makes it a breeze to manage this process. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Convertkit account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for one on their website. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is your command center where you'll have access to all the features Convertkit offers to help grow your audience. From the dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the Grow section. Here, click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is where the journey to creating your newsletter begins. Landing pages are a crucial element because they serve as the digital storefront for potential subscribers, enticing them with your content offers and compelling them to sign up. Now, look for the option that says Create New and select Landing Page. This feature allows you to design a page where people can subscribe to your newsletter. When you click this option, a series of templates will appear, giving you a starting point for your design. To find the most relevant templates, you'll want to narrow your search. Look for the Filter by Category setting and make sure to select Newsletter. This narrows down the templates specifically tailored for newsletter signups, which can save you time and ensure consistency with your branding. Once you've filtered the templates, take some time to browse through and pick one that matches your site's style. This is important as you want the aesthetic of your landing page to align with the overall look and feel of your brand. It's about ensuring your subscribers have a seamless experience from the moment they land on your page to when they receive your content. After selecting a template, you'll have the opportunity to customize it to your liking. Change the text and colors to fit your brand, and if needed, click the plus icon to add any additional fields. This customization is key to making sure the message and visuals resonate with your audience. With your template customized to perfection, you're just one step away from going live. Look at the top right corner of the page for the Save and Publish button. Click on this and voila, your newsletter is live, ready to capture new subscribers and connect with your audience. That's it. You've successfully created a newsletter using Convertkit. Remember, a well-crafted newsletter can be a powerful tool in building relationships and engaging with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy sending.